Hey guys, Alex Jonathan White here, back again with another Alex Jonathan White vlogs. I think I'm better. I think I'm feeling better. You know, I know I'm feeling better, and I'm ready to get out there into the world. I'm excited. Not a good time to cough right now when I'm. Oh, God damn it. Well, that's a good segue, actually. Let's do a little segue here, like that. Okay, just went forward a bit. Well, even though I pointed backwards, I still got a bit of a chesty cough, but apart from that, I think I'm feeling better. I know I'm feeling better. This sounds like I'm repeating myself. You know, I think I am repeating myself. I don't know. This video is all over the place because, God damn it. There's literally nothing to talk about talk about me being inside, stuck in a room. There isn't much more to say about it. There really isn't. And I probably said that a couple of times. There's probably a video saying I have nothing to talk about in this video. You know, I know there are videos that say that I state that. So I don't get why it doesn't matter. It honestly doesn't matter. I'm just excited to meet people. That's what I'm excited for. I mean, it was my cousin's birthday yesterday. Let's do a little ooh, happy birthday, ooh. Let's do that. But it will be my birthday soon, and I cannot wait for my birthday. I cannot wait. All right, I'm excited. That's all I can say. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and if you haven't already, make sure you comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.